It's giving Madonna, Vogue.
Hi, my name is Tamires. I'm 22 years old. I'm from Brazil, and I'm the new exclusive model with Bareface.
It's giving life, go.
About 9 years and a half.
It's giving Mariah, Diva.
After my first test shoot, I started loving it a lot, and I decided that's what I would.
It's giving rainbow, era.
I like more campaigns because it's more, the vibe is nice, we can be more free, like creative, and I like it a lot.
It's giving Queen, Gaga. It's giving iconic.
We are able to travel around, we can know more cultures and people, make friends all over.
Drama. It's giving Vogue. Vogue.
To find a trustful agent that it will be there for you. And that's the most important thing for you to start a career. To not start wherever, to find someone you trust. I learned on my own. I didn't start with a trustful agent, and it was pretty hard. It's my first time here, so I think everything will be a huge experience, and I'm ready for it.
It's giving life, go.